In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Sukuna in Cursed Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Sukuna is one of the default characters in Cursed Battlegrounds, so when you join the experience, you will actually be playing as Sukuna, the King of Curses. You can change between Cursed Bread, which is Sukuna himself, then you have Honored One that you can switch into, and finally, you have Sorcerer Hunter. As long as you are out of combat, you will be able to switch between them. Keep in mind that Sorcerer Hunter, during the time that I'm recording this video, is locked behind early access. But regardless, this video is focused on the King of Curses, Sukuna. So you will have 4 main abilities: Divergent Fist, Black Flash, Manji Kicks, and then Divergent Parry. You will also be able to fill out this Awakening bar, which is going to change your abilities after you go through your Awakening form. So to play as Sukuna, you just have to use these abilities. Divergent Fist does this, so as you can see it is a big punch that knocks your opponent back. Black Flash is going to be a kick, and as you might expect from a Jujutsu Kaisen experience, you can press Black Flash again to perform a stronger move, just like you saw there. Manji Kicks are going to be a bunch of kicks back to back to back, so 4 kicks, and then it's going to knock your opponent back, and finally Divergent Parry is going to be a counter, so you have to allow someone to hit you. As long as you use these moves, you will be able to combo your opponents, and if you want to practice the Black Flash, I recommend joining a private server. As you can see, I failed that time, but you just have to do it right as your character kicks the opponent. So you will be able to use all of these moves as Sukuna and eventually go into your Awakening form. So this is what Divergent Parry does. As you can see, it is a very strong counter, very satisfying to use. If anyone hits you while you have it up, you are going to hit them back and knock them. If you want to practice the Black Flash, like I said, go into a dummy and just try to do it when your character kicks the opponent. The timing is very strict, so don't rush like me because I failed twice, but you will still be able to do it. All that you have to do is wait until your kick connects with the opponent. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Sukuna in Cursed Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.